All right, it is November, I forget, 23rd maybe, 24th, something like that. A double printed linocut called Tree with Heart, double printed. It's titled on 3 sides, artist proof, 2 trees having hanky-panky and enjoying every moment. Over here it says 2 trees doing the hokey-pokey. Yeah. Up there it says the world of nature, 2 trees making whoopee, or doing the hokey-pokey, i.e., or doing the, I can't actually read it. Pardon moi. 2 trees making whoopee, or doing the hanky-panky, i.e., the hokey-pokey. All right, there you have it, with a bunch of flying chickens all around to give it some extra movement. You know, all those flying chickens. They're great flyers. Yes, indeed. All right, this will be on exhibit in December and for sale. Modestly priced, too. At the A&T Art Nut Terminal Gallery at the Seattle Center in Seattle, Washington, Pacific Northwest. There you have it.